There is a voice whispering to me. I know it well. Every word is holding on to me. There is a wind filling me with peace. It passes by, and I know that it will never leave. I can feel your presence falling as my heart responds to praise. I hear the crashing waves thundering through my soul. I hear a quiet voice reminding me of hope. I hear a mighty roar singing the melody louder than all my fears as it washes over me. It's the sound of love. It's the sound of love. There is a song, salvation echoing, every voice, every knee bow before the King. I can feel the worship rising. Every heart responds with praise. I hear crashing waves thundering through my soul. I hear a quiet voice reminding me of hope. I hear a mighty roar singing the melody louder than all my fears as it washes over me. It's the sound of love. It's the sound of love. It is the sound of erupting thunder. It is the sound of a mighty rushing wind. It is the sound ringing through creation. The sound of love. The sound of love. It is the sound of a roaring lion. It is the sound of our Savior's victory. It is the sound of a new revival. The sound of love. The sound of love. I hear the crashing waves thundering through my soul. I hear a quiet voice reminding me of hope. I hear the mighty roar singing the melody louder than all my fears as it washes over me. It's the sound of